Caterpillar and Altorfer have been providing fluid analysis for over 50 years. Altorfer submits about 85,000 samples per year,
which has also led to us completing our 1 millionth sample. Fluid sampling is where we take a small amount of the fluid, whatever it is, if it's oil, if it's coolant, diesel fuel, and then we run it through instrumentation to determine what's going on with it, what's in it. Oil analysis is no different than getting your annual blood drawn from your doctor. They look for things inside that blood, we look for things inside that oil.
We do oil analysis for Caterpillar equipment, but also for other brands.
We're about 60% CAT based, but 40% other. We look at everything in your fleet.
We offer testing for many industries, including power systems, over-the-road trucks, quarries, and heavy construction. We offer 3 different types of fluid analysis: oil, coolant, and fuel. The problems that fluid analysis identifies is excessive wear, contamination, and oil condition. The more information that you provide us, the more educated interpretation we can provide you. You will get more out of your interpretation that way. So with regular sampling, we're able to establish a trend, then we're able to see the variances in the data to see the issues.
Trend analysis is probably one of the biggest key factor in oil sampling, the SOS program. Looking at that component over its life from start to finish, that's where we can determine all those wear problems with it or contamination, and we can extend your component life with that risk, downtime. And the biggest thing is repair before failure. We provide an interpretation on your oil results that puts it in layman terms, things that for you to understand, but we can also walk you through those.
Through the fluid analysis program, we want the best for our customers to get the most out of their machines.
So the fluid analysis that Altorfer provides to Phoenix Corporation allows us the opportunity to catch smaller issues before it becomes a much larger, much more expensive problem to fix.
We can't say enough about the service that Altorfer is able to provide to us for all the machines and the service for the analysis. And we get the reports back quickly. It's really saved a lot of money.
We choose to have regular fluid analysis testing done to ensure that our equipment is running at peak performance.
Altorfer Fluid Analysis has been a great asset to us. Very good company to work with.
We feel like they're part of our Phoenix family.
Altorfer is one of our premier business partners. The service that they provide in the fluid analysis is top-notch. I would absolutely recommend this to any heavy highway road contractor.
To get set up and started with our program, you would go to any of our parts locations and purchase our sample kits. They are prepaid.
We have a couple online videos that you can watch on our website. There's some links that our SOS lab manager has put out there to pull the proper sample, but you can always contact any of our product support reps.
A benefit of sampling with Altorfer, you have access to us for support and questions.